Guys, welcome back. So let's first start with everything you need for this DIY. You need straws. I have a pack of 20 straws I got from Pep Home for just $4.99. And then I have a double-sided tape which I got at Game for $34.99. Then I have just a glass, a long glass. It's called a zombie glass. I got it at Pep Home for $5.99. And then I have gold spray. I'll be using gold spray. This is the color. This is how it looks. Yeah, I got this at Game for 80 rand. And then I just have a bunch of flowers from Pep Home for just 29 rand 99.